Here is my demo for lab A8. I have an 82 connected to my internal ADC on the Nucleo board. So what you're seeing is the reading on the terminal of the ADC. So this is it at 500 millivolts. 1 volt, 1.5 volts, 2 volts, 2.5 volts, and 3 volts. Let me just double check 1.5 volts. Okay. And then I did the extra credit where, as you can see, there's borders around both the tables. And as I was showing, there was a slider that shows the accurate reading. I also added a feature where this is the ADC connected to the 82. And as you can see, when I open the pin, it shows an open. So it reads open when the ADC isn't open. So this is the relay circuit. Over here we have the relay. This pin, this blue wire, is connected to 5 volts and enters the start of the relay circuit here. The red wires and this gray wire are 5 volts, and they connect from the 5 volt pin to both the flyback diode and the first pin of the relay coil. Then on the left, on the other side of the switch, I just have a simple LED connected to a resistor just to show when the relay has been switched. On the other side, we have the other red wire, and that is connected to the collector pin of the 2222 NPN BJT. And then this is RB, the base resistor. This is connected to another blue wire, and this is connected to one of the through-hole pins on the Nucleo board, that is PC13. That is mapped to this hardware button. So when I press this hardware button, this goes high, which correlates to about 3.3 volts being entered into the base. And then at the bottom here, we have the emitter side of the transistor. Basically, the emitter is being followed by the gray wire, which is then going to RE. RE is 16 ohms, RB is 90 ohms. Between those two, we have a black wire. Now, that black wire is going into PA0, which is connected to the internal ADC. That is what is being displayed on the PuTTY terminal. And here is ground. So first I'll show that pressing the button turns on the relay. As you can hear by the switch and see the LED turn on, me pressing the blue button is activating the relay. And then I'll also show the screen. When I press and hold down, you can see that the min, max, and average voltage values and ADC raw counts are changing. There is a visual aid at the top to show what the voltage is, and there is a coil current. So the coil current is the actual current that is across the coil of the relay. Right now it's reading 0.32 volts, which is very similar to an actual reading from a desktop digital multimeter. The desktop digital multimeter read 32 milliamps, and this is reading, The desktop digital multimeter read 31.62 milliamps, and as you can see, this is reading 0.032, so 32 milliamps, so very similar. That is the end of Lab A8's demo.